In this video, I will be showing you how you guys can create a repository on GitHub easily and upload your files on the GitHub. For that, the process is very simple and easy. What you have to do is to follow the video till the end to get to know about it. If you're new to the channel, make sure that you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So let's start right into it. Make sure that you go to the GitHub website, which is github.com, and in the website just make sure that you sign in with your official account. Once you've done that, either you can go to your profile, and in the home section just go to your profile, and then there will be a section where you can create a repository. For example, on the left hand side there is an option to create a repository. Just simply go ahead and click on that, and once you've done that, all you have to do is to write the repository name, the description, the privacy. For example, if you want to keep it public or private, if you want to add a readme file, you can get that. And once you've done that, all you have to do is to go ahead and click on create. For example, I'm gonna go with starter optional, and I'm gonna keep it private, add a readme file, and then create a repository. So now my repository has been created. So what I have to do is to go ahead and click on add files and then create new files or upload files option. So once I've done that, it will tell me to drag and drop files over here so it can get uploaded. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful.